let's go through and see who else's moms and dads are on with us. Okay, I want to see the gallery. Okay. I see Manoj Sunavne of YMCA on the call with us. Manoj ji, हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए thank you very much. हम कितने सालों से आपके साथ जुड़े हुए हैं और आप हमारी सहायता हेल्प हमारी मदद हमेशा करते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच मनोज जी, थैंक यू सो मच. Thank you. For those of you who don't know, Manoj and YMCA, you know, for our students who live in bastis or even on the streets, they don't get enough light to study in the night. Many of them may not have electricity in their homes, or may have just one light bulb in their entire home. So Manoj with YMCA Night Study Centers, they provide a clean, safe, well-lit environment in which the students can go to study. They provide a teacher who sits there to make sure that everyone is safe. They also provide water, and in many night study centers, they also provide a meal. So thank you very much, Manoj ji, हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. I know that Jaishali Tambe of Salam Bombay Foundation was with us. I'm not sure if she is still here, but Jaishali ma'am just gave us so much strength, so much support, so much courage for doing the work that we do and for partnering with us. Thank you very much, Jaishali. We love you.
Yeah, Fayaz, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, Jaishali.
Yeah. Thank you so much for the entire Pehchan team. We are very grateful actually कि इस तरह का मौका हमारे बच्चों को मिल रहा है, तो हम बोलते हैं ना water my heart. We are thank you. This program was really wonderful.
Thank you, Jaishali. Thank you. One second, I'm getting messages now. I'm getting that Ishleen is, Ishleen, you're with your entire family. You're with your entire family, Ishleen, or you're watching. And yeah, hi, Mom. We're always so happy to see moms. Ma'am, I want to tell you about Ishleen. She was assigned mentees who had no data coverage in the area that they were. So she couldn't teach them. She couldn't teach them on Zoom, nor could she teach them on WhatsApp. So she conducted every class on a regular phone call. She kept them engaged. They never dropped out. So when a child doesn't drop out of our program, we know that they are getting benefit. We know that they are learning. So the very fact that all her mentees stayed connected with us through entire college prep week told us what a brilliant job she was doing to invest in their future. So moms and dads, you should know that your kids have worked very, very, very hard. So Ishleen, we are very proud of you. Mom, you want to say anything about your sweet child?
It's all because of your guidance. I mean, she's taken up Pehchan, only makes it very easy. It is not so easy actually, but she's all set to take up her next year of Pehchan as well. And I was also touched and moved by the effort that you all put in. Very well done.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It means a lot to us when our parents understand what we are doing and support their kids. Don't make me emotional again. I just calmed down. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Oh my gosh, how can I forget? Sushila is online. Sushila ji, आप हमारे साथ जुड़े, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आपने जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. I don't know if Shobha still has connection and is connected with us, but for those of you who don't know, there is Shobha. Shobha is Satyam's mom and Sejal's mom. सो शोभा जी, आप हमारे साथ जुड़े, मैं इतनी खुश हूँ, पूरा मेरा दिल खिला हुआ है। मैं कितने दिनों से बोल रही थी कि शोभा हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाली है, आप कैसे कनेक्ट करने वाले हो। तो थैंक यू हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। वी आर वेरी हैप्पी यू आर हियर, और दोनों आपके बच्चे बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू। सुनाई दे रही है हमारी मेरी आवाज?
हाँ, थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू।
You're welcome. We love you. We love you. Thank you.
Ma'am, I want to talk something.
You want to talk something? Yes, you can talk something.
Yes.
Can you move the camera towards you so we can see you?
दिख रही हूँ मैम?
हाँ, दिख रही हो, बोलो।
Okay. I am very happy to say that my Pehchan journey has been very wonderful. When Swara Didi first time came to my school, which is Municipal Marathi Medium School, to tell about Pehchan, I was nervous, but I didn't know it is a very big opportunity for me. Pehchan started online classes, and there was a biggest miracle. I feel very happy and comfortable. Pehchan is telling us, you are not alone, we are with you. Pehchan is helping me to step forward to fulfill my dream. Thank you so much, Pehchan.
दुर्गेश्वरी, तू ये बोल के रहने वाली थी ना? हाँ, we are very proud of you, and we are so happy. We are so happy. I know Rashna and I have been so elated to watch your growth. Yours, Ayush's, Suvojit's. We've been so happy to watch your growth. So happy. Madhura, you're with your sister and your mom? Madhura, you're with your sister and your mom?
Yes.
Hi, where's mom?
Ma'am, they are on another device. Vaishali Kamble. Yeah.
So to Madhura's mom and Madhura's sister, Madhura, your sister's name is Pooja, right? If I remember correctly.
Yes.
Yes.
But she's, yeah.
Ah, there they are. Hi, mom. Hi, sister. We are so happy to see you. Your little one has done so well with us. So well with us. She not only completed college prep week with us, she also did Pehchan 2.0 with us. So for those of you who couldn't understand or didn't understand the difference between a college prep week and Pehchan 2.0, college prep week was literally just 1 week where we imbibed certain values as well as certain skills in the children who were wishing to go to college in this fall, fall in here. But Pehchan 2.0 introduced FYJC English classes, introduced SYJC accounts classes, and introduced general knowledge classes as well as life skills courses. And so Madhura has stayed with us to even participate in all that. And just so moms and dads understand, Pehchan 2.0 has not been an easy journey because they have to connect with us. They have to learn from Rashna first how to deliver the curriculum, and then they have to get on a call to deliver the curriculum. So thank you very much to Madhura's mom and Madhura's sister for joining and supporting Madhura. We love it when family supports our kids. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Prayas ma'am, actually, for giving her the opportunity. Actually, to be honest, we are so proud of her. We sat through the whole whole celebration today, and it really makes us really happy to see her like this. See her getting connected with her mentees every single day, and see her grow herself, not just by teaching them, but being herself. That's something to be really proud of. Thank you so much.
Pooja, I wish I could take full credit for this, but I can't. I'm supported by the most brilliant team of trustees. I really am. When I say Rashna is my friend, my mentor, my support, I mean it unconditionally. I look to her for every step or every decision that we make, and she has been just unstinting support is what I get from her. And without her, I mean, imagine GK, your Monday sessions, Friday speaker sessions, none of how we elevate would be possible without her. Having Ami and Dinsha uncle approve everything like this. I remember the first time Swara sent something for approval, she messaged back saying, "Ma'am, it got approved in 30 seconds," or something like that. And I said, yes, there is no red tape here, because everybody's vision and values are the same. So we're supported by brilliant trustees, and more than anything, Pooja, if the kids didn't buy into this vision, we couldn't do this work. We just couldn't. If we didn't have the Arushis, the Jishas, the Sejals, the Bhushans, the Pratikshas, the Madhuras, we just couldn't do this. We just couldn't do this. So thank you for giving me a mention, but I just need to make sure that my
Yes,
heart.
totally, ma'am, totally. I congratulate every single person over here, and thank you so much for including everyone, each and every parent and us, for being to witness this celebration today. Thank you, really, thank you much. We really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed it.
Thank you. I see in my chat box that Sapna, you're with your family. Sapna, is that correct? That you're with family? You're with Pervin? You're with Pervin. Hi, Pervin. Good to see you. Pervin and your brother.
Hello.
Yes, very good to see all. Her mom is also there.
Her name is what's her name?
Pushpa.
Pushpa Sapna.
Pushpa. Okay. So for those of you who don't know, how there is Shobha for Satyam and Sejal, and then there is Priyas for Satyam and Sejal. There is Pushpa for Sapna and Pervin for Sapna. So our family is not as unique as you might think. So Pervin, thank you for joining us. पुष्पा जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आपने सपना को सपोर्ट किया तो हमें बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा. Thank you पुष्पा जी. Thank you.
Thank you.
Insia, you sent me a message. Who are you with, Insia? Insia, who are you with, darling?
Ma'am, I was with my parents and then they went to pray.
They went to pray. No problem.
Yes,
We're
ma'am.
very happy that they joined us. We're very happy that they joined us. We'll be sending all the parents a thank you and a message. But thank you for messaging us, Insia, and letting us know. Thank you for letting us know. Ah, Ankita, are you with mom? Yes, Ankita, are you thoda emotional? Don't make me emotional again. It took me a lot of time to bring myself together. Yes? All right. You know, I'm very strict. What you see here today is a very mild version of what I put your children through. I'm very strict. Ankita, don't cry. All is well. You've done so well. You've done so well. Ma'am, I want to tell you, your Ankita has been such a phenomenal support behind the scenes. Such a support. She has not only been with the College Prep Week, she joined for Pehchan 2.0. She doesn't have to join for the Fun Friday series, but she joins every Friday just to support the mentees. She claps every time they answer. She encourages them in the chat box. You have raised a lovely young lady with her values at her core, and they show. So thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you for joining, and thank you for seeing all that your daughter has participated in for the last 4 months.
I'm very proud of her.
You should be. You should be. And Ankita, you should be very proud of yourself. You have everybody crying. Pratiksha's crying. Mohammad's crying. Everybody's crying because Ankita is crying. So when we say पहचान परिवार, that's really what we mean. हम दिल से जुड़ते हैं. हम दिल से जुड़ते हैं. और अगर आपके बच्चे बोलते हैं कि मैं डांटती हूँ, मैं हक से डांटती हूँ. So we really love you, Ankita, and we're super proud of you. We're super proud of you. Moin's mom is on the call.
Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome, my Jan. Most welcome. Moin's mom is on the call, and we need to give Moin's mom a special thank you. She's on a separate device, right, Moin?
Yes, ma'am, she's on a separate device.
Can you give us the name and keep
Yeah.
spotlight?
Ma'am, she's coming on my device.
Okay, she's coming on
Just a
your
second,
device.
please.
So while Moin's mom is setting herself up, let me tell you how the food distribution drives started. The food distribution drives started because Moin sent a message to me saying, ma'am, it was Moin's idea. Moin planted the seed and we then ran with it. And of course, Rashna wholeheartely supported it and then inspired me to move with it and not just sit with the idea. So to Moin's, where did Moin's mom go? Okay, so to Moin's mom, and those of you who don't know, initially in the lockdown phases, we were not allowed to go for distributions. So what used to happen is Moin's mom would sit with Moin and pack all the food distribution boxes. And that's how we used to get it out, and that's how we got to delivery. Some of our change makers and leaders may remember the photographs of Moin's mom sitting with him and packing all those huge bags of food. Ketki, I can't see Moin's mom. She was spotlighted, but now I don't see her. But I want to say to you, ma'am, thank you very much. आपने जो support दिखाया, वहाँ से हमारा food distribution का शुरुआत हुआ था. So thank you, ma'am. Would you like to say anything?
Thank you, ma'am. आपकी वजह से हुआ है सब कुछ.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं, but thank you for humbling us. Thank you for humbling us. आपने मोइन की बहुत support की है. और मोइन हमारे पहचान में काफी पॉपुलर है. आपको पता है ये बात?
जी पता है, वो भी आपकी वजह से और अर्चना मैम की वजह से.
नो वो उसने खुद बनाई है जगह. देखो हमारे बच्चे कैसे हंस रहे हैं. थैंक यू मैम सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस.
आप लोग के लिए आप लोग ने इतनी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है इसको.
Yes, we love it. Moin, keep connecting with us.
Yes, ma'am, sure. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Keep connecting with us every year. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ketki, it's okay. You can make me host. You can make me host, please. No worries at all. Okay, wait. I'm going through chat because everybody is writing, ma'am, I'm with so and so. Ma'am, I'm with so and so. Mohammed, you're there with mom? You're there with mom? I see mom. Mohammed, you're there with mom?
Ma'am, she's muted.
She's muted. Okay. We're going to unmute her. There she is, unmuted.
Yes, can you hear me, Prayas ma'am?
Yes, we can hear you, ma'am. Bolo.
Thank you. I'm Maria, Mohammad's mummy, and I'm very happy for my son grooming up like this, and all the support and everything what you as your teachers, all the teachers are giving him. And I'm very happy for the great change in my son. He was a very shy boy earlier, and now he's no more shy. He tells me to mute at times. So a great change in my son, and thanks a lot for everything.
It is our pleasure.
All your things, whatever activities you all are going to, all the to the whole group. Thanks a lot.
Mrs. Khan, it has been absolutely our privilege to have Mohammed as part of this project. Every year, he pushes himself beyond any boundaries that he may have set for himself. And we are immensely proud of him. He is, just so that you know, he today is serving as a mentor to the mentors. That's how much he's grown with us, and we are very proud of him. We're very proud of him.
As a parent, we are very proud of him.
Thank you, and you should be. Thank you, and you should be. All right, guys, I'm going to be here. Whoever needs to hop off can hop off, but I'm going to go through these messages so I can acknowledge all the parents who are here with our children. Mohammed, Moin, Dilkhush, mommy is with you?
I'm sorry to come in. Can you please start recording so that we don't miss any bit of it?
Yes, sorry, Ketki. Thank you.
All right, sorry, I'm going to hop off, and thank you for
Kirti,
making me
for
a
all
part.
your help.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, sorry, I'm going to hop off, and thank
Kirti,
you for
for
making
all
me a
your
part.
help.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Sorry, where was I? Dilkhush. Dilkhush, you're here with mom. If you say hi, you'll pop up on my screen.
Hi.
Hi. We're so happy to see you. We're so happy to see you. Thank you for supporting Dilkhush on this journey. Thank you for supporting
you guys.
Dilkhush on this journey.
Great work.
Yes, one second. Something happened to my screen. So let me just move this so I can see you. I'm still learning all the nuances of Zoom. So there, I can see you. I want you to know Dilkhush has had a journey this year. She has experienced so many emotions. She has found so many layers of beliefs within herself. Some she wanted to keep and some she wanted to get rid of. She has been very moved. I think one of the most profound experiences Dilkhush had was the very first mentee she was assigned, who she had to mentor through college prep week. And the reality of the life some of her peers live hit her very hard. She was not expecting that. And I think for some amount of time, she would have preferred to disconnect because sometimes it's not easy to face the reality of of the world we live in. But we're very proud of her. She stuck with it. She came back. She stayed with it. And she was a speaker tonight. So all of that was tremendous for us. So just wanted to acknowledge her and let you know what a tremendous job she has done. What a tremendous job she has done. We love you.
Thank you.
We're very proud of you. Very, very proud of you.
We are proud of her too. Thank you.
Most welcome. Jisha, my friend is with you. I can see her. Asha ji, namaste. मैं कितने दिनों से बोल रही हूँ जीशा को, कितने दिनों से बोल रही हूँ आशा जी आने वाली है, आशा जी आने वाली है. And there is my friend. कैसे हो आप?
आप जब भी बुलाते हो हम रेडी रहते हैं.
सही बात है, no doubt. कैसा लगा? आपकी बेटी ने बहुत अच्छा किया आज.
वो किया, हमको कुछ बताया नहीं, हमको तो लैंड मूवमेंट पे मालूम चला कि ये ऐसे कर रही है, ऐसे कर रही है. बाद में मैं बोलती हूँ ऐसे.
सरप्राइजेस अच्छी चीज होती है आशा जी. 5 साल में आपकी बेटी बहुत आगे आई है और आपका बहुत साथ रहा है. वो दिखता है. हमारे मम्मी पापा जब हमारे साथ देते हैं तो बच्चे खिलते हैं, पर दिखता है. So thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Miss.
So proud of
Thank
you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Swara's mom is here. Swara's mom is here. Swara's mom is here. Swara, say hi, darling, and you'll pop on my screen. If your mom is with you. No? Okay, Swara may be having signal issues. Eksha, you're with your mom? I'm just getting messages.
Yes, I know.
Yes. Eksha's mummy.
Yes.
Ah, Swara's mummy is with Swara. Where is Swara's mummy?
Right.
Hello. कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
मैं तो बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. अभी प्रोग्राम खत्म हुआ है और मैं मेरा फेवरेट काम कर रही हूँ. सब मम्मी पापा के साथ बात कर रही हूँ. और
मैं भी साथ से देख रही थी. थैंक यू वेरी मच, ये अपॉर्चुनिटी हमको दिया आपने. एटलीस्ट हम इसका विटनेस कर पाए इस प्रोग्राम के लिए.
हमें आपको थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए कि 5 साल से आपकी बेटी हमारी साथ जुड़ी है. हमें आपको थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए कि आपने इतने रात वो नहीं सोती है, काम करती रहती है हमारे लिए. आप गुस्सा नहीं होते उनके साथ और आप हमारे ऊपर विश्वास रखते हो कि कुछ अच्छा कर रही है आपकी बेटी. कहीं इधर उधर घूम नहीं रही है, कुछ दूसरे बच्चों को आगे बढ़ा रही है. तो थैंक यू हमारे ऊपर विश्वास रखने के लिए. I know that Swara has been having some technical difficulties, so I think she'll hop back on with us. But I know this message is recorded, so I know Swara's mom will hear what we got to say. Hey Huda, you're with your dad? You're with your dad?
Mom, बोला था, excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो, सॉरी आपका
मैम मुझे आपको स्पेशल थैंक्स देना है क्योंकि मेरी बेटी को आपने बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट बनाया है और मुझे पता है कि आप लोगों के साथ रह के, आपकी एडवाइस के साथ रह के वो एक अच्छा करियर बनाएगी और एक अच्छा लाइक ना द वे शी इज गोइंग, वी आर वेरी हैप्पी लाइक एंड आई judge her like while she talking and all and I'm very proud for her and हम बहुत, मुझे पता है कि आपके साथ रह के आप बहुत अच्छा एडवाइस कर रहे हैं और हमारे बच्चे जो है एक अच्छा लाइन एक करियर लेंगे और मुझे ये पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस है अभी कि मेरी बच्ची अभी एक यानी कि उसको वो ना अभी ऐसा लाइन में आई है कि वो अभी सोच सकती है कि क्या अच्छा है क्या गलत है, हमें लाइफ में क्या करना चाहिए, लाइक ऑल दिस थिंग्स ना अभी मुझे से कुछ अभी फिक्र नहीं है कि अभी मेरे स्वरा के साथ मुझे ऐसे देखते रहना चाहिए क्या कि बच्चे क्या करते हैं क्या नहीं है। अभी मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हो गई हूँ कि अभी मुझे कुछ फिक्र करने की जरूरत नहीं है। स्वरा अभी एक अच्छा लाइक ना पहले ही आई एम प्राउड फॉर माय चिल्ड्रन लाइक बट स्टिल अभी तो मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट और कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल पाऊंगी कि आपके साथ रह के आपके एडवाइस के साथ रह के बच्चे एकदम अच्छे करियर लेंगे और एक अच्छा लाइन या जो भी करेंगे ना इट विल बी लाइक प्राउड फील करेंगे, इतना तो मैं बोल सकती हूँ। तो आई एम वेरी मच थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द सपोर्ट्स व्हाट यू आर गिविंग टू अस लाइक।
You are most welcome.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
You are most welcome. And it is genuinely our privilege and blessing to have Swara on our team. And Swara, I hope you feel the emotion and I hope you connect. And I know you know what I'm talking about. Build that relationship. It's time. I love you. I love you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
I love you.
Huda, Dad, we're so happy to see you. I see you up on my upper left square. So I want to tell you, Dad, that I love all my kids very much, the kids who come and the kids who participate. And it is because of that love that I am so strict with them. I never allow them to give less than their best. And if I am being completely honest with you, I had actually excused Huda from the first phase of our program because I felt certain standards were not where they needed to be. But let me tell you about your daughter. Let me tell you how amazing she is. And let me tell you about the values you have inculcated in your child. When she realized that this was a serious opportunity, she took that removal so seriously, she decided to step back in, give all her heart and soul. She worked so abundantly hard and she earned her place back on the team. She ended up serving as a role model to others so that they could also work that hard and earn their place back. So we are so proud of Huda. I've told her this many times. Have I not, Huda? Have I not told you this before? Yes. So Dad, thank you for joining today. Thank you for supporting your daughter today. And thank you for being with her on this Pehchan journey. It means a lot. It really means a lot.
I really appreciate the work that you put in. And more importantly, I do a lot of social work, which I did not want to drag the kids into it. I wanted them to come into it willingly. So I never took her into any of other than I think the literature event that we do where she does join us. Other than that, I've never taken her into anything. I've never dragged her into anything. But I think what you've inculcated is the feeling of being part of something which makes that difference. Because social work is not something that you can force on anyone. It is something that has to come from your heart. And that's what you inculcated in her, and I appreciate you for that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. We work very hard. Our team works very hard, and we're really looking forward to the new generation that is going to change things and bring about far more equality in our world. So thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Eksha, is mommy with you, darling? Eksha, is mommy with you? Hi. You were waiting for me to come to you, Ekshu. Ma'am, we must tell you, much like Huda, Eksha was one of our children who didn't understand how serious our leadership sessions should be. And the journey Eksha has made to get here, to be a Pehchan leader, has been one of sheer tenacity. Every time she knew that it was almost out, she found a way to get almost in. And she has worked very hard. She has loved her mentees more than anything else. She has loved them. She has poured herself into them. They can feel her love and affection. And she has been a co-mentor with Ankita. So Ankita and Eksha have been each other's support. They have also built a super unique friendship with one another. So in uplifting other children, they too have been uplifted. Have you been watching Eksha on her Pehchan journey? Would you like to say anything?
Initially, I didn't know what she's doing. I just knew she's doing a program with Pehchan. So I used to wonder ki she's giving her hours and hours. And you know, the kids like their privacy. But then I said, Eksha, just let me hear what you're doing once, you know, because you're spending so much time with someone. Just let me hear for once. And then I just sat and I listened to them. I was like, Eksha, what are you doing? Like, you know, I was very surprised and, you know, I was so enthusiastic about the whole thing, and I just said, okay, just go on and on. And I really hear Ankita and Eksha and what's her mentee's name? I forgot.
Tina.
I'm like, the way they coordinate and talk with each other, it's like helping each other at every moment and junction. And I think Eksha has also upgraded herself with the Hindi language because she has been too used to with English. And I believe Hina has upgraded herself in English, where she was not, able to speak up. And today I think she spoke up also up here, which was a great, great achievement. And I'm very, very proud. Thank you, Freyas ma'am, a lot, a lot.
Yes, you know what, Rashna, Ami, and Dinsha uncle are very kind that they let me take center stage and they let me speak. But I repeatedly just want to acknowledge that we are a whole team, and we're so happy that we are all aligned and get to support this amazing young generation to do great things going forward. We're very proud of Eksha. We're very proud of Eksha. And we hope she returns next year. We hope she returns next year.
I'm a returner then.
Darling, is this how you talk? All right. All right, we love you. Nandini's mom is here. Nandini, bye, love you. Is Nandini's mom here? Nandini's mom is still here? No. Hey, Khushi, who are you with? Khushi, who are you sitting with?
Oh, ma'am, she's my mom. Hi.
She looks like your friend. We're so happy to see you. We're so happy to see you. Your young girl is getting ready to apply to other colleges and possibly go overseas. And we have been very proud of all that she has done with us and for us and invested into the next generation. So just wanted to say thank you and acknowledge Khushi for all that she's done.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. The way you have nurtured and the way she has developed herself, it's really good to see. I mean, I'm very proud of her, the way she has got into this whole thing and she invests so much time and she's so interested. it's really overwhelming. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. We are very thankful to have her part of the team. And we are thankful to the moms and dads who don't get upset that their children are spending so much time online with us. Initially, we had to call a lot of parents to say, no, they are not doing masti online. They are really learning and they are really teaching.
Yeah. It's time well spent, I guess.
Yes, it is very well spent. And, you know, I'll tell you something, ma'am. We don't exactly have a calculation of this. And I hope someday we figure out how to do this. But it's sort of like this. If Eksha and Ankita investing in Hina is changing her whole family. The way Hina will now go on to complete her college education, the kind of person Hina will now marry, at the age Hina will now marry, she will raise her children differently. So this one investment in this one child that your child has mentored will change so many generations. So it's 4 months for Khushi, but it's almost like 400 years for the person she's invested in. That's the change your children make when they step into our project. Yes, so be very proud of your kids. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Devika, is that your mom? Is that your mom with you, Devika? Who's sitting next to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Who's sitting? She said, mother.
You're the mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why are you upset? Why are you talking to your mom like that? Where's mom? Your daughter and I share a rich history. Are you aware of the rich history that we share? Yes.
Yes.
And look how far she has come. Look how far she has come. I have been very strict with her. Very, very strict with her. To the point when I used to walk into a classroom, even if the classroom had 300 children, she assumed I was coming straight to her to talk to her. That's the rich history Devika and I share. But today, I didn't get as much of an opportunity to work with her this year because of her college schedule and her exam schedules and so on and so forth. So I'm looking forward to her connecting with us more next year. But I'm very proud of your daughter for taking the opportunities that are consistently offered to her and for stepping up. And for joining with this program the way she does. She has embraced and made friendships with people from all different types of backgrounds. She has brought no judgment to the table. She has only brought love and affection to the table. And above all, Devika brings no ego to the table, none at all. She just brings a genuine heart, and we are very, very, very blessed to have her as part of our family, our Pehchan Parivar. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Holston was with us. I think he had to leave, but Holston was one of our Fun Friday speakers, and the message he has sent is, Dear Team Pehchan, I am really touched, and I would sincerely like to thank all of you for making me part of this and giving me an invitation to be part of this. Thank you once again. We're very happy to have Holston. मम्मी के साथ हो?
Yes.
मम्मी कुछ बोलना चाहेगी?
Thank you.
Most welcome. Most welcome. आपको पता है, आपको पता ही होगा, आपकी दोनों बेटी हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. आपकी वृषाली पिछले साल हमारे प्रोग्राम से ग्रेजुएट हुई थी पार्टिसिपेंट के तौर पे, और इस साल लीडर बनके आई है हमारे प्रोग्राम में, जैसे कि आरुषि दीदी आई है हमारे साथ. और आपकी यंगर को क्या कहते हैं, छोटी बेटी हमारे साथ इस साल पार्टिसिपेंट के तौर पे आई है. और दोनों आपकी लड़कियां One second. If somebody is not speaking, can you help your parents mute? Thank you. आपको काफी क्लासेस में आपकी दोनों बेटियां एक ही फोन पे बैठ के पढ़ाई करते थे. मैंने काफी फोटोज भी लिए हैं ऐसे. So for those of you who don't know, Vrushali and Vaishnavi used to only have one, in their family, they have only one phone. And Vrushali is in FYJC, was finishing FYJC, and Vaishnavi was in her 10th standard. So when the lockdown was announced, they didn't have enough devices to get connected. They didn't have enough phones for them to do their classes. So for our Pehchan classes, both the sisters would join on the same phone, on the same device. So for so many of our classes, you will see both of them in one square of the Zoom link. They have been unconditionally supported by their mom, unconditionally. Those of you who saw our Mother's Day video, you must have seen Vrushali's mom. She was making those rotis. There is no stove in their home. There is no adequate lighting in their home. Vrushali and Vaishnavi have 100% attendance in our classes. 100% attendance. They sit outside if they have to. They make it a priority to charge their phones as soon as power is available to them. We have seen Vrushali and Vaishnavi fully invest in their education and fully committed to making their futures. And we're so proud of them. We're so proud of them. To let you know, Vrushali has spoken in front of the Higher Education Minister this year. Vrushali has spoken in front of an audience of almost 200 people at the Indian School of Management and Entrepreneurship with Dr. Indushani by her side. Vrushali, any opportunity we have messaged, her answer has been yes. Any opportunity. Whether she knew she could speak the words, not speak the words, her answer has been yes. And she is getting ready tomorrow to step into Rahil Padamsi's Create Foundation classes. So she is, we say in the Pehchan affirmation, we create our own opportunities. And step by step, she is indeed creating her own opportunities. And I know her mom may not be able to understand everything I am saying, but I will say this. I have noticed in the last, and I've been doing this work not just with Pehchan, but also teaching as a volunteer teacher in municipal schools for many years now. So I've been doing this work in one way or another for almost 12 years. And I will tell you, whether your child comes from a public school or a municipal school, whether your child comes from a private school or an international school, I have seen unconditionally children succeed when they are supported by their parents. Unconditionally succeed. And Vrushali and Vaishnavi are an example of that. So to all my private school moms, I say take a good look to the mom on your screen right now. She has the same dreams for her children as you do. And she hopes that with every roti she makes on that open fire and doesn't make her child do that her child can study and give herself a future that her mom could not in reality afford her today. So when you allow the Shraddhas, the Riyas to participate in Pehchan, you allow this mom to give her child the future she wants to give her. That is what we're doing at Pehchan. In case you're not feeling it, that is what we're doing at Pehchan. आप हमारे साथ जुड़े, आपने आपकी दोनों बेटियां का इतना सपोर्ट किया, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा. आप पढ़ाई की बात करते हो, शादी की बात नहीं करते हो, आप उनको किताब खोलने देते हो, रसोई में नहीं बिठाते हो, ये सब हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है. भविष्य जरूर बदलेगा और हम है वृषाली और वैष्णवी के साथ. बहुत लंबा रास्ता चलना है अभी, लेकिन साथ में मिलके चलेंगे. ठीक है? थैंक यू हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. वृषाली, we are abundantly proud of you, darling. We're abundantly proud of you. Yes? God has a big plan for you. Don't worry. It's all coming true. It's all coming true. Yes? Shraddha, since you popped up on my screen, I see mom and dad. I see mom and dad. And that makes me so happy to see mom and dad. Mom and dad, your daughter Shraddha played a vital role on our activities committee. And they had a very tough job this year. As you can imagine, to conduct classes online and keep children engaged. And let me tell you, to keep our participants engaged is not an easy task. Because as you may have noticed as the program went on, they have noise in the background because they all have a small room in which they study. So with the noises in the background, with their parents calling their attention to different things, because not all their parents are supportive of their education. So your daughter joined with other peers of hers to create an activities structure that would allow our participants to learn, allow our participants to grow. She did so well. She did so well, not only as a mentor and not only on the activities team, that there were times where some of our other mentors would struggle with how to conduct an activity. And I just had to message Shraddha, please, can you help so-and-so? And she was on it. She never said, listen, I finished my assignment. Now I don't have the time to get on with anybody else. She always had her heart open and she always assisted. So we just want to say thank you for allowing her to be part of this program. Thank you for the values you've inculcated in her. And thank you for being here today. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I think Pehchan is doing a very great job. We are very grateful to you and your organization. You are not only doing social work, but also you are giving a very good stage for all students to, for their self-development. And also you are imbibing very good values in them. So we are very grateful to you. And also I would like to mention here that after the lockdown, the Pehchan has moved from physical to digital very swiftly. Mentor, having some background, they switched over to digital. But the way they have, groomed mentees to go digital, it is remarkable. Thanks. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for bringing that point up. Thank you, sir, for bringing. We've really worked hard to help the mentees go digital. We had a very generous donor. In fact, what had happened is we noticed that some of our students were not regularly appearing for classes. So I messaged a very dear friend of mine, and she instantly agreed to give mobile phones so that the children who didn't have phones available at home to use could connect with our online classes. So she, Mrs. Pearl Contractor, actually, she donated for us several phones, and she's been a supporter of ours from day one. And like this, we have some amazing donors, many of them who consistently ask me to keep them anonymous. And their names are like right here that want to spill out. So I just want to say that, our children make this program possible. The parents of the children make this program possible. My parents make this program possible. But our donors also make this program possible, because if they weren't giving the money for the food, we wouldn't be able to feed as many people as we've fed. If they weren't giving the money for the phones, we wouldn't have been able to get as many kids connected to online education as we have. So we are very proud of this Pehchan Parivar. It has come together with so much heart to do the work God has called us to do. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Akshika, your parents are here. Akshika, your parents are here. Yes, because mummy's messaged me. Akshika's parents are here. Hi, mummy. Hi, dad. How are y'all?
Hi, ma'am. Good evening to you.
Good evening to you.
I must say that it has really been a pleasure to witness the session today. It's been so much of a learning for us as well, and to learn about the activities of Pehchan and to see it for ourselves, that how Akshika has been involved I used to sometimes see her preparing for, with her mentees and preparing for the other activities that she has been involved into. So now today we see that it's been actually a very, very great learning process, a character building for the child herself, other than the social activity that she's performing, and being it's a build up towards a good citizen and a responsible adult, I would say. So, and these are the social values which are very, very important, and we are really thankful to you and the entire Pehchan team. Thank you very much.
Sir, thank you so much for saying that. Thank you so much for saying that. I will tell you, it has been a pleasure to have your daughter on our team with us. She has pushed beyond so many, on the first day when the kids walk into the classroom for the leadership session, I guess, in Hindi, there's a word tajurba. So after so many years, there's this little tajurba that I have when kids walk into a classroom, just by the way they walk or the way, which seat they will choose in the classroom to sit in, you can tell the child's level of confidence or what barriers they have around them. And when I remember this young woman who walked into the leadership sessions on the first day to this young woman who sits before us today, I give her full credit for pushing beyond every fear, every boundary, and for consistently stepping up. She has never let that little voice in her head keep her from doing what she has known is right for her as well as her mentees. So we are very proud of her. We're very, very proud of her. And thank you for speaking today. Thank you for being here today. It means a lot to have you here.
Thank you very much, ma'am. It's really been indeed great.
Akshika, we're very proud of you.
Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Always, darling, always. Vaishali Kamble, is she still online? Vaishali Kamble? I mean, that's the Zoom display name. वैशाली कामले, आप हो अभी भी यहाँ पे कॉल पे?
मैं मधुरा की मम्मी हूँ.
मधुरा की मम्मी, yes. अच्छा, so we already spoke, right? Okay, so I'm just going to move down. Akila, your mom is there? Akila, do you still have signal? Are you still on call? Is your mom, are you still there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Come on, come talk to me. Start talking and you'll be shown on my screen. Akila, कुछ बोलो बेटा, आप मेरे हाँ, there you are. Hello, Akila. Hello, mommy. So while their signal is getting sorted, hello, namaste.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Akila, your signal is not there. Akila,
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. Namaste. Akila, your mummy wants to say anything. Ma'am, आप बोलना चाहोगे कुछ? मैं आपकी बेटी के मम्मी नहीं
Hi,
सुन.
ma'am. Good evening.
Hi, Akila. Good evening.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening. कैसे हो आप?
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
हमारा प्रोग्राम कैसे?
हाँ, ठीक है जी. मैं काम पे कभी आया था, मैम.
अच्छा, आप काम पे थे, अभी आए आप? ओके. अकीला हमारे साथ काफी 2-3 साल पहले जुड़ी हुई थी. इस साल हमारे कल जो प्रोग्राम शुरू होने वाला है ना, उसमें जुड़ने वाली है. आपकी बेटी बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट. समवन हेल्प मी विद द इंडियन वर्ड, हिंदी वर्ड फॉर इंटेलिजेंट.
होशियार.
हाँ, आपकी बेटी बहुत ही होशियार है. इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छे से बोलती है और आगे जाके बहुत कुछ करेगी उसकी लाइफ में. आप उसको इतना सपोर्ट करते हो, इसके लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच. We can't hear her.
Thank you.
Most welcome, darling. Sorry we couldn't hear your mom. I think there are some signal issues. Yeah. Shraddha, Akshika. Okay, So I'm going to read a couple of messages, please. So one is from Jayashri Nair. If someone can help me with who that is. Thank you, Pehchan, for the immense contribution your organization has been doing to every child connected with you, mentoring our children to be good leaders and improving themselves as human beings. No words are enough to acknowledge the work you are doing for making our country a better place, inculcating good values in our youth. Thank you very much, Pehchan. Thank you very much, Pehchan. Arushi, your mom is there? Su Dikra, Chello message. Where is your mother? Mom has to sit next to you.
Yes,
so we
yes,
can
I'm
see her.
getting up.
Mom has to sit next to you so we
Yes.
can see you.
Hello.
Mrs. Jadhav, how are you?
Fine. How are you, Prayas ma'am?
I am very well, thank you. Your daughter has captured
Made me
so
proud.
many hearts. Yes, you should be so proud. You should be
Yes.
so proud.
So in fact, when the announcement was happening, I had tears in my eyes, just like you, ma'am. You were quite emotional. I could see that. I was very touched that you put in so much. That's when the emotions are there, right?
Yeah.
I'm so glad, and she's just a better version of herself. It's so true. She's just metamorphosed. That's the right word.
That is
Yes,
the
it
right
is.
word. That is the right word.
So much, the
And,
entire team.
we hope as she grows with us, you see her grow into even a better version of herself.
Definitely.
Ma'am, you know, the children sometimes who have the largest transformations are the children whose parents have been investing in them for years and years and years, with belief, with a belief in them, with a faith in them. And your daughter definitely brought that to the table. It was easy to work with that. And one of the challenges we face during our leadership sessions, because the kids who come to us are young, they're 15, 16, 17 years old, and they're at that stage where they don't want a relationship with their parents, or they're angry with their parents about something, or they may not always be connected with their parents. And we do have a few children who will say, no, that's not how it is with my mom. I have a great relationship with my mom. I'm able to talk to my parents about everything. And Arushi was one of those children.
Right,
She was very clear that she had a brilliant relationship at home. And so
I only have a very good day.
we were able to use it as a base. We were able to use it as a base and just help her grow on that. So you can see the emotions don't just run in us, they run in the children, they run in the parents, because this is work we wish was happening at the school level. This is work we wish was happening at the college level. You look at our children, you look at your children, and you will see they come to us with preconceived ideologies. Children living in the basti may be dirty, may not be as smart, may not be as well behaved. And the children who come to us, say from a municipal school, have this preconceived notion that are wo didi to building mein rehti hai, so wo akdu hogi, wo
Well, it was supposed to be beautiful.
The feeling it is initially they are not bridged, and when we go through this program, instantly you see the bridge happen for them. And Arushi, we've been so proud of your growth, and more than anything, Arushi, you have been such a tremendous support to us. You've always said yes to everything, right, Anjali? Every graphic, every write-up. Anjali, say something about Arushi to Arushi's mom as Arushi's mentor and senior. Say something to Arushi's mom.
So I think being the advisor of social media, it wouldn't have been possible where we are right now without Arushi, because when we did not have enough people to make graphics, so she was the one who stepped up, and she was the one who was like, okay, fine, I'll do this. She has been in a lot of situations that I've been in where like it's been too difficult to make graphics, but she's like, okay, fine, you do this half, I'll do this half, and then we like divide work amongst ourselves. And I don't think I've created such a good bond in any year since the last 4 years of Pehchan, as good as I have created with Arushi this year.
Right. Thank you so much. Right, ma'am. So definitely, because I've seen her working at odd hours in the night, and I've seen her commitment. So I know her like as a child, right? So she's committed. But of course, I've seen a very new version, and I've seen her commitment. So when I see that now, I've never interfered. Like 1 o'clock, 1:30, 2 o'clock, I said, okay, that's what you are passionate about. Please go ahead and do it. Whatever makes you feel happy. So I've seen her. I've just let her be, because as long as you're doing a good thing, nothing should stop you. So just go ahead, and I've never interfered, me or her father, both of us. So I'm very happy. I'm very proud of her, and I'm very happy with the whole your whole team, ma'am.
Thank you.
And just all the best for all the things that you do in future.
Thank you. We look forward to Arushi becoming one of our legacy students. So she'll need to stay for 5 more.
I think I think she's made up. She told me. I think yesterday she told me that I'm going to continue with Pehchan no matter what.
That's great. That's great. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hava, I see that your hand is raised. Did you want to say something? Are
Yes,
you with
yes,
mom?
ma'am. I would just like to add, like, the award which has been given to Arushi, the Star of Pehchan, it truly justifies of what she has done. Like, I remember during online Pehchan, we used to have to send mails and everyone to our partners, and I couldn't, because I was not a very good, I'm still not a very good writer, and the only person that comes to my mind when I think about writing is Arushi. And she used to do it even at 2 o'clock. She used to edit my message on the spot. Yes, how I will do it, don't worry. And she has always been the one I could always count on, no matter what, no matter where or what is happening. Even during the graphics, she has been everything, and patience. So yeah, I think my heart is regard to Arushi and Arushi's mom. She is really a gem of a person, and auntie, she has been brought up really, really well. Like, I see in her, she's just amazing. That's it. Thank you.
Thanks, Hava. What a great testimony from a senior for a leader who graduates today. Thank you, Hava, so much. Thank you. Would any of our Bridge Squad like to say anything before we close out today? Any of our Bridge Squad want to say anything? If you don't, no worries. I just want to make sure everybody has an opportunity to speak. Any of our change makers want to say anything? Satyam, how does it feel to graduate today and to be a legacy student? Kajal, how does it feel to be a legacy student? All with signal issues, unfortunately. Are, speak. Swara, go ahead.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yes. So there's just so much to say. I don't know if I will be able to fathom everything into words at this point, but we really, back in December 2019, when all of us came together, we really had huge plans for Pehchan. Like, we'll do this on ground, we'll take so many classrooms, we'll have everyone assemble here, we'll give this to everybody. And we had really huge plans. And then came COVID. And we really, like, it was a one-day shock for all of us. Like, for one day, exactly one day, me and my Bridge Squad met, and we were like, okay guys, this has happened. Now, I'm sure ma'am is going to ask us for a plan B. Do we have a plan B? Before she asks us, we should be ready with it. So we all thought, okay, online, we'll have an online week, because this was just in March and we didn't know it was going to continue all the way till now in September. So in March, we thought, okay, let's see, agar March end tak khatam hota hai, to agar nahi hua, to we'll see for an online. And we were very sure that March end tak COVID khatam ho jayega. And then we were in April, then we were in May, and things were still shut. We were still in a lockdown, and we realized, okay, we actually have to conduct an online Pehchan this time. We actually have to make things digital, and this is something we had never, ever even thought of or imagined. And we were all really, for some time, nervous, because we didn't know how many of our mentors would be up for an online Pehchan. But I have to say this, all it took was just one video call of Riyaz ma'am and the Bridge Squad and all our mentors, and just one conversation with them where we had to tell them, guys, we're going to have this online. Yet everybody was there with us with the same determination, with the same willpower to execute it online, on ground. Nobody, it didn't matter. Having Pehchan was what mattered. And so each mentor who supported the entire Bridge Squad for this entire journey of Pehchan 2020. We are very, very grateful. Thank you so much. I speak on behalf of my entire Brit Squad. Thank you so much for being so supportive. Thank you so much for always being one message away. I'm so proud to be a part of this project and to call you all my peers, because in true sense, this is the youth of the country. This is the egalitarian India that we look forward to, and I'm very happy to be a part of this and to have all of you as the organizing committee for Pehchan 2020. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Swara. That was so well said. Kajal, you graduated this year, Kajal. 6 years, 1 year as participant and 5 years. How does it feel? I can see a little shock on your face, but how does it feel?
Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Perfectly.
Yes. So today I feel really honored and lucky that I got a chance and opportunity to be part of this project in the first phase, really in the beginning. I was the participant. So it feels today really good that it's been like 5 years with Pehchan, and it has changed so much for better. We started with like only 50 participants and some 20 didis and bhaiyas, and now we are like 67 didis and bhaiyas. We were participants 50, now 67 didis and bhaiyas. We have around like more than 5 colleges. We have so many partners. We have it's just growing and growing, and it feels so good to be part of this project. And I know for sure that it's going to be much bigger and better and all over the country, like not in only the country, all over the world. Pehchan is going to leave its mark for sure. And thank you so much, Pehchan. Thank you so much, Frankie, for just creating this project, which helps so many kids to dream big, to think that there is a future ahead, and it's just great future ahead. Thank you everyone. Thank you, Pehchan Team 2020, which just made it possible even in this lockdown, when just everybody thought nothing is going to happen in this lockdown and everything is closed. But no, Pehchan team is just never ready to accept any defeat, and we just did it. Like, it was just so good and amazing to be part of this team which do not accept any defeat and just ready to take on any challenges, and just it's just brilliant. Thank you so much. I feel so proud that I'm part of this brilliant team. Thank you, Pehchan. Thank you, everyone.
We love you. Is Tanu still online? It'd be good to have a... Tanu, are you still here, Beta?
Yes, I am here.
Tanu, say something. You graduated. Now when you come back, you can be a youth advisor, but you cannot be a Didi. So, Abhi?
Yes.
Tanu's camera is off because Tanu's crying.
This project is...
है ना? Ha ha. Bol Jan, bol. Okay, we'll come back to
Can
her.
I just message, please?
No. What fun is that? Did I get to message? No problem, Jan. No problem. You take your time. Satyam, are you still there? I see that you're at home. Are you still there?
Yes, I'm here.
Speak, son, speak.
Yes. So, I've always believed, like Freyaz, that, like, we don't choose this project. This project chooses us always and always. And I have been part of this project for 6 years now. That means I was meant to be a part of this project. And every year when I come back, like every year, every activity or every team that I go in, there is like just full bag of learning that I get, and the amazing people that I work with, so humbled people. And the best thing that I love about being in this project, that we all are working selflessly, and we are not just not thinking about today, we're also thinking about tomorrow. So this is what I love about this project. and everybody is just so down to earth, everybody just wants to give, and there is no self thing like over here, like everything is great over here. And so just so not only I learn from my seniors like Keisha, or people who have graduated from this project, but also learn from people like from my juniors as well. And they are just so enthusiastic and just so great to be here in this project. And this, like, in my speech also I said this project has my heart, and it really does. And it just so you, like, nobody knows this. Of course I know this, that so I do priming, which is one of the Tony Robbins thing every day. And every single day, one of the thankful moment, it has to be about Pehchan. And one of the goals that I have is related to Pehchan, seeing Pehchan in NSCI Dome Worli. So
Oh,
that is the goal that I have for Pehchan, and I see it coming soon. And yeah, thank you so much, everybody.
we
Thank
love
you,
you.
Fayaz, for always believing in me, and always um, just not accepting me less than my best. Yeah, thank you.
We love you. All right, we've been here, I didn't realize, for so long. I see Razveen on my screen, and before I go, I would be remiss if I didn't say to you that Razveen has been so wanting to grow and succeed that she used to connect with our project. She used to connect with our project by sitting outside and connecting her phone to the car battery so that she would have charging, so that she would be able to connect with the classes. So she would sit outside, plug her charger into the car battery so that she could be with us. So just want to let you know. Before we go, I want to just ask Keisha, is there anything you would like to say, darling, as our first youth advisor completing 6 years with us, someone who joined as a student who understood this vision, and today here we are through every challenge. I want to ask you, is there anything you'd like to say? And then I'd like to ask Ami and Rashna, and we can close this out. So Keisha.
There's a lot I would like to say, but 6 years ago, when you're much younger, you don't realize, you feel like you're just doing a college project, and for some reason this felt much bigger than that. And against all those college things that you need to work against and make sure that this happens, I'm glad that I felt that kind of a vibration from this idea, from this concept, and from making this thing happen. I've always said, and I loved the first year of doing something like this, and this year is the first time I felt close to that feeling of accomplishing something new and feeling like there's so much more coming. If I sit to name the people who made this year happen and past years happen, it would be almost everyone on this call, but I see a lot of smiling faces, and they've done such a brilliant job. I've found support in so many of you to make so many things happen. And I would like to thank all our trustees. We all know Fayaz is doing all that she does, but I would also like to thank the other 3 trustees, because they may not always be here, they may not be on all our Zoom calls, but it is their vision and their support that makes so much of this happen. It makes us feel like they've got our backs. No matter what we do, tomorrow we can come up with Satyam's great NSCI idea, and they'll support it because they see the vision in making it that big. So I would really, really, really like to thank all of them for believing in the fact that these kids who are from, I'm going to include myself in the kids because I don't want to feel old, but from 18 or 16 or 15 to 24, who can do these big projects and big things and influence people in such important phases of their life. So I'm so grateful to see everyone who made it a point to be here today, to be here and stay with us 1.5 hours after this event has ended. I love you a lot too, Mitali. I'm so glad to see you here. And I would say that to each one of you. It's just that her name popped up in a message. I love you all so much. And there's so much work to do. But trust me, we won't do any work tonight or even tomorrow. But we will do some work really, really soon. Thank you. I love all of you.
Did you see Rashna's face when you said that we were going to support the NSCI idea?
No.
I love Rashna's facial expressions.
Please repeat the facial expression.
Sapna, Ayush, I see your messages in the chat, but first I'm going to ask if our trustee Ami has anything more she would like to say, or because for our Zoom program we were restricted to certain things. Ami, darling, is there anything you want to say or add or even talk about Ria's experience?
Yes, I would like to add only one point over here. When I see our Pehchan children, our Pehchan kids, the way they are, the only dream I see is we are able to accommodate more children and we are able to reach out to more children of our country. And the only thing I want to say that then our country will be in safe hands. And the way our children are, if we are able to create more children, nothing like it. So proud of all of you. Love you all.
Thank you, Ami. We love you. We love you. Rashna ma'am.
So Satyam, I will support you to the ends of the earth, but not this dome idea. Sorry, where am I? Yeah. It's just too much money and we do not have the donors. Okay. Yeah, 25 lakhs. Are you kidding me? My son supports you, Satyam. I don't. But anyway, yeah.
Donors will come. Money ka kya hai? Paise aayega.
Yeah. So anyway, I think today really went off really well, and real thanks for thanks to every single person who's here. And I guess now we are just so relieved it's over that we're smiling and laughing. And what can I say? Prayas, as usual, has attained the unattainable. I was the biggest skeptic of online Pehchan. I mean, considering I can barely use my mobile phone, it's no small wonder, but she's pulled it off. And you guys have just done the most magnificent job. I have to say, Mohammed, how you converted all those activities into online activities. Superb, absolutely amazing and smashing. I just got to give it to you. And when your mom said that you were shy to begin with, yes, I remember sitting in the HR canteen first day. Mohammed came to Pehchan and I asked him, looking down, sitting like this, why do you want to join Pehchan? Because I need to make friends. Yeah. And today, I mean, like, everybody's trying to become Mohammed's friend, right? So how the tables have turned. And amazing, all you guys. I cannot end without Isha. How can I thank you? Let me count the ways. Amazing, everything. She has a handle on everything. Just amazing. And thank you all very much.
Thank you, Rashna. Thank you. We just have 2 more children who've requested to speak, and if we've waited this long. So Sapna, did you want to say something, Sapna?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I would like to just, I think, say a few thank yous to a few people, starting from you and Rashna ma'am, then moving on to my family and Pervin, and then I would just like to thank you, Hawa. I would just like to thank all these people for pushing me here. I didn't think I would stay until here. And Pervin for constantly pushing me. Even now, she pushed me to talk. Coming back to the program, I would like to thank Keisha for all the bonding sessions that we had. I never thought that I could speak to Keisha The way I've built a relationship with her was very difficult. Thank you, Keisha, for calling me up and solving my confusions and problems with my mentees and getting in touch with them. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Mohammed, for the outreach calls that you've all the time you made, and please be available. Are you free to talk for all those calls? I'm very happy for that. Sorry, I would like to thank you, Kajal, because Kajal, Bhushan, Satyam, when we were together in the PR team and outreach team, they always messaged me and called me for free time and to put in this post, or are you okay? Can we make this message, that message? Khushi also, then Arushi. Thank you so much. If I've missed someone, I'm sorry, but I'm really happy to be a part of this family. Thanks a lot. That's it, ma'am. Thank you.
We love you. Ayush, are you ready? Ayush, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
આટલા કલાક મેં પૂછ્યું કોને વાત કરું એક બચ્ચુએ મેસેજ ને મૂક્યું. I said we are wrapping up and ફડ all the messages are coming. શું છે આઈમાં? હા આયુષ બોલો.
May I audible, ma'am?
Perfect.
There's network issue, so I can't open my camera.
No worries, darling. You can speak.
Yes, I'm so thankful and glad to be a part of Pehchan family. Thank you, Pehchan, for launching 2.0 for us. This program does not make us that we are in lockdown, and it makes me a strong pillar to support my family and our young generation. Thank you for the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Most welcome, Ayush. Thank you. Okay, Madhura and then Anjali, and then we'll close out. Okay, Madhura, please, you want to say something, Madhura?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, first, I wrote a small paragraph and I want to read that out because I don't know if I would miss something. So here it goes. Okay. Pehchan means identity, and truly it has helped me to find my identity and myself. In this 8 months, I've learned so much which I could not have learned if I wasn't in Pehchan. Pehchan not only helped me to grow as a person, but also helped me to help my peers to grow and level up. If I have given this much to Pehchan, in return, Pehchan has given me this much. You can't even see my hands, as Prayas ma'am says. You can't. And I owe everything to you, Freyas ma'am, every teaching mentor, Pehchan, everyone. Always going to be in your debt, and my love for Pehchan is infinite. I'm truly thankful and grateful to be part of this parivar, and I want to mention this, Swara. I'm really, really grateful that you brought this project to my life. I remember going with you, Ananya, Ankita, and getting that interview in Rashna ma'am's house. We were so nervous. Arushi, Khushi, we have come so long. We have literally, and I'm so proud that we all are in this together. And thank you, Freyas ma'am, for always supporting me and believing in me. And Ami ma'am, if you're here, I want to say this from Pooja Di and I. Thank you for always being there. One call away. Thank you so much. You know this. I love you so much. And I want to say this. After this post-lockdown, we all need to meet. I want to hug each one of you because we all deserve it. We need to party. Okay? And Freyas ma'am, come soon to India. I want to hug you. I miss hugging you. And I love you all so much. Thank you so much.
We love you. We love you. Anjali, darling, the stage is all yours. Anjali.
I just want to say thank you for my first ever leadership opportunity. I never, ever in my life thought that I would get this and to take care of social media where people legit came and went. And I don't know how to thank you guys so much. This is so funny because I don't cry at all. I hate crying. I don't know how I reached so far. And yesterday I was like, finally I'm done with this. But now I'm like, how can I leave? I have the whole social media to take care of. I mean, Akshi, I'm not letting you go. You are still staying here with me. Thank you so much. Thank you, Huda, for encouraging me to speak in front. And I never thought I would try. But yeah. You good? You good? We love you. You know that? Yes. We're so proud of you. Look now, my Ankita's crying again. That's how much you all love each other, and we love that you love each other so much. Anjali, you have water next to you, darling? You have a glass of water next to you? Okay. Good girl. Good girl. You know, Anjali, that emotion is your soul finally seeing you the way we have seen you for so many years. There is a reason this week nobody gave any approvals. And I know you were very upset about that. But we needed you to see that you were capable of pulling it off. We needed you to see that leader within you that you see today. And I know yesterday you were so upset with me that when you sent me something while we were on the call, I refused to give you an approval for it. And yes, she's nodding her head. Yes, ma'am, you do these things that make me very angry with you. But you see, darling, sometimes when we are lacking the confidence within ourselves, the person or the people and the teams who love us the most have to push us beyond that so that we can see ourselves the way you do today. You are such an amazing leader, Anjali. You are strong, you are capable, you are confident. And for so many years with us, you successfully were a leader behind the scenes. This year, we needed you to be a leader front and center. And you have proven to yourself more than anybody else that you are capable of that leadership, that your voice counts, and that your team would rather work with you than anybody else. So well done, Anjali. Huda, well done in supporting Anjali. Arushi, looks like you're not going anywhere, darling, even if you want to. You're good, right, Anjali? Well done. We're very proud of you. So fewer approvals will be coming, Anjali, because clearly you're fully capable and my retirement is right around the corner with Outreach. We love you. Thank you for speaking. Thank you for speaking. All right. With that, I don't see anybody else in my chat who would like to say anything. Mohammed Bhaiya, we are going to let you go without saying anything. ऐसे तो कभी नहीं होने वाला है. Can you say a few words for us, please?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so that's why I wasn't speaking.
That's not fair. Everyone got to see me cry. Okay, if you don't want to speak, that's fine. I won't put you on the spot. I won't put you on the spot.
No, ma'am. I'll say this. I'll try to say this. The change in me, because of you, Rashna ma'am, and this project, which I came out to be a person in this past 3 years and this third year, end of this third year. It's really like I never believed that I could change myself into this. And just thank you. I'll just keep it till there right now. Thank you.
Sorry, I just got a message from Ami that she wants to say something. Ami, please.
So Shreya was listening to our entire show today along with all the interviews and everything. And she is like, Mom, I am dying to join Pehchan. So I was like, just come here for a minute and say this to Shreya's.
Well, we are planning that. Shri, what do you want to say, darling?
Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to say. But
Shri, we are planning something. Swara was afraid she won't have work anymore after today. Little does she know what's coming her way in just a couple of days. We thought it best to keep it from her till tonight was over. So we have something in the works for related to Pehchan for kids like you who are still in school. So you don't have to, we have something in the works. Now don't get so excited. We'll have to put it together and then we'll roll it out. So, but Shri, we're excited to have you. Haven't seen Ria today. I know she's on the call, but I haven't been able to see her. So for those of you who don't know, Ria's sister, so Ami is Ria's mom, Ria Mediratta's mom, and Shreya is Ria's sister, younger sister. So when we had done our first USA school exchange call, Shreya and her friends were on that call. Shreya and her friends were on that call. All right? Okay.
Ria is missing Pehchan so much because all her heart is in Pehchan. And she's dying to be back.
Yes, we are ready. We will be back soon with the next year. Huda, you want to say something?
Yes,
Huda?
ma'am.
Huh.
Yeah, actually, I'm very thankful that Anjali, Anushka didn't force me, but like they used to tell me about Pehchan. I've been seeing Pehchan since Anjali is a part of it, since 11th, and I've always been like seeing it on social media, seeing her, and she's like, you won't understand what we are going through. It's something different, and like finally this year I made a point to like, I'll come for it, and now I can feel the difference and the change in me. I would like to thank Keisha. I remember the time I was taken off. I called her and I don't know, I cried for 1 hour or 1.5 hours. She was I was on a Zoom call crying in front of Anjali, Anushka. Like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do right now. And like sobbing all the time. And then Jisha made me work so much and I like appreciate her work, like her ethics and like the way she puts all her heart in this. That made me want to work as hard as she did. So I would like to just thank her and thank you for like mentoring us in such a way and making me see things that were not really a part of my vision before and like seeing beyond that.
You're most welcome, and thank you for being the role model that you have been to so many by stepping back. Much when you step back, you show other young people that it's not about ego, it's about growth. And you did that. You did that for yourself. You gave yourself that opportunity. And for all the other young people like Anjali or like Keisha who helped you come back to the program and join back with the program, I'm going to close this out by saying this. Some of the most important things we have always hoped you would learn, I hope you learn through this program, is that you are the company you keep. You are the company you keep. Imagine today if Huda had called somebody else and said, hey, listen, I got thrown out of the program. Another 16, 17 or 18-year-old would have said, forget them, forget that. There are so many other things you can do. You don't need to be connected with them. You can come do this. You can go out with us and do this. You can go there. She would have been mentored in this way when her path was supposed to be this. But instead, because she was keeping company with you, because she was keeping company with her seniors and leaders and mentors, they prevented her from this and they brought her back to this. That is the power of the company you keep. That is indeed the power of the company you keep. This is your family. We are here to support you unconditionally, without judgment. This year, we have actually, and I'm talking about this side of the bridge, the side of the bridge that comes from private schools. We have children who are going through domestic violence situations. We have children who are in depression. We have children who have suffered breakups. We have children whose families have suffered great economic crisis, but they have stayed connected with us because they kept company with these peers who kept them focused. And on this side of the bridge, we have kids who never believed. If you ever, my phone has no password, like my nephew says, how can your phone have no password? If you ever are at home, you are welcome to pick up and scroll through my phone. The amount of messages, like just now, I have 562 messages. In case those of you who are ever worried about like, why does ma'am never respond? This is why ma'am never responds. This is in addition to 1,500 emails, and let's not even get into the number of SMSs. So if you ever are at home and you pick up my phone and you go through it, you will see the number of confidential messages we receive, even from the other side of the bridge, where kids are suffering great economic crisis. You know, we had a young man just 4 days ago or 5 days ago message Satyam. He needed 6,000 rupees for an entire year of college fees. For you and me, that would have been an insignificant amount. But for him, it was a monumental amount. 6,000 rupees for 1 whole year of college fees. And he was so scared his education would stop because of it. But because he was keeping friendship today with Satyam, because he was keeping company with you, today that 6,000, because of Ammi, Dinsha uncle, Rashna, it became a no-brainer. And in 20 seconds on our WhatsApp chat, the approval was done. Keep company with these peers. This is where your future is. To the parents who are still here with us, 3 hours since we started, I say this: keep company with the parents of these children. Your destiny is also connected with the company you keep. Join hands, make a Pehchan Parent Association. Build the values you want your children to have, and join hands with us to create this future that we want a little faster than we would otherwise be able to create. Imagine if we had our own pillars, our parent pillars, our teacher pillars, our mentor pillars, how much stronger and faster we would grow. We have so many children desperately in need of moms and dads like you to serve as role models, because for whatever reason, their moms and dads cannot. As you saw Akila's mom, she had just returned from her job. She desperately wanted to participate in this event, but her employer would not allow her to not come and clean the home for 1 day so she could celebrate with her child. But it would have been so amazing if Akila knew she had another mom mentor who could be present. So join our Pehchan Parivar actively. Join our Pehchan Parivar actively. Durgeshwari's mom and Moin's mom become part of the Pehchan Parivar. Durgeshwari's mom and Moin's mom get to lead the future. I want to see more of that. This is the vision. Ammi, Mrs. Khan, Mama's mom, along with Satyam's mom, Kajal's mom, build our mom team, build our mom group, and allow this country the future it deserves. It deserves. Yes, I am so abundantly proud. Keisha, God, if you as a young woman had not believed in this vision and not stepped up to it and not loved it and not loved everybody the way that you have, we wouldn't be here 6 years later. We just wouldn't be here 6 years later. And I know that my name consistently stays front and center. I'm fully aware of that. But it doesn't take away, darling, from the fact that when there was no Rashna, when there was no Ami, when there was no Dinsha uncle, there has always been a Keisha Keshkam. So remember that she is as aligned with this project as all of us are, and she has given this project life much like we have been able to. So to all of you, I say 3 hours, we've spent 3 hours together. It didn't feel like 3 hours to me. I don't know if it has felt like 3 hours to you, but we have a lot of work ahead of us. Anybody who thought there is no more work to do, thodu galat vichar ki dut tame loko hai. We begin tomorrow. We begin tomorrow. God's work, purposeful work, does not take pause. When we've been called to serve, we've been called to serve every day and in every way. We resume tomorrow. Those of you who choose to stay with us, we resume tomorrow. We have 2 things happening tomorrow. The first thing we have happening is Trial Padamsi's Create Foundation classes. We have identified 30 youth who will participate in 3 separate batches starting tomorrow. The first batch launches tomorrow at 4 p.m. The second thing we have happening tomorrow is your mentor session, mentor training session with Rashna for the FYJC English curriculum that continues. Both classes are still on. We are not delaying. We are not canceling 1 week and moving to another because we have a lot of work left to do. And the work we have chosen to do and align our hearts with cannot take a vacation. So we're back tomorrow. We will have Wednesday GK. We will have Friday, Fun Friday speaker. Everything is on task. Everything is your choice, whether you want to connect or not. We just request that if you are not going to connect, to please let us know so we can assign your mentee to someone who is still connected with us. All right? That's the only request we make of you. We remain abundantly thankful. Rashna and I say it many, many, many times. We are the privileged ones to be connected with you. We are blessed that you allow us on your journey. And we love that you keep us feeling young. Seriously. With your language, with your memes. Arey, Rashna ma'am, Keisha has a meme for you. She has not told you, but I told her enough memes about me. Now we need 1 meme about you. Let me tell you.
Actually, I was feeling left out.
She's feeling left out. But Tarat Mokal te meme.
Put it on the screen so everybody can laugh. I don't know if y'all are technologically able to do that.
Meme when we were talking about like your facial expression when it's 1:30. What did you say? When it's what? Bola?
Got the meme, in all honesty.
When it's 1:30 p.m. and the vada pav wala is still not open.
No, I know.
I don't eat vada pav. Huh?
When it's
on Pehchan week.
When it's a Saturday at Ismi, or a Sunday and the chai wala isn't open. That meme.
Yeah. Totally. How can a chai wala goes? It's my fundamental right, human right.
So anyway, we've had a blast. Thank you all so much. Whoever's returning, we'll see you tomorrow. Riles classes begin tomorrow at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Indian Standard Time, which is 6:30 a.m. my time. 6:30
So
a.m. my time.
who is
and
sitting in from our side?
me,
You.
me.
You gotta be kidding.
Nope. I got it. I'll go for a walk after the class. Maybe I'll get
Alright.
healthier by the time I come back to Mumbai. So I'll see whoever I see on Ryal's class in the morning. Now we will please close out because it's been 3 hours. You
Yes,
all
please.
have an evening to get to, and we have a day to get to. It's 11:30 over here, 11:30 in the morning. USA phone, India phone, everything keeping me straight. And for all of you who have sent me messages, I have not seen a single one. I will once I get home. I'm heading out with my parents now. They've not seen me for the last 10 days because I've just been involved with this. So the rest of my Sunday belongs to them. But I will certainly reply to your messages when I come back. Thank you everybody very, very much. I know we opened with prayer, but since we've had such an amazing night, can we close with prayer as well, please? All right. Please close your eyes and bow your heads. Father, thank you so much for calling us to do your work. Thank you so much for connecting our hearts together. Thank you so much for these young people who you have blessed with so much that they can afford the world and their peers. Thank you so much for creating these unique friendships and unique bonds. Thank you for allowing our evening to be an immense success. We hope our program has moved hearts, and we hope we get to do your purposeful work a lot better, a lot faster, and with a lot more love. In your name we pray. Amen. Yes, we love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. 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 We believe in you. We believe in you. You. We believe in you. And we are immensely proud of you. Immensely. All right. Love you. Have the best evening. Celebrate. Call each other. Get on a Zoom link. Whatever you all do to celebrate without old people on the call. All right. We love you all.
Whatever you want, be
Yes.
on the Zoom call at 11 o'clock tomorrow. Yeah. Till then, do whatever you want.
Yes. We love you. Bye, everybody. Good night. God bless.
Bye.
Good night. God bless. Love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Bye, 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 bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You.